Bonjour! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Terrionna Makeup and you're watching the Makeup Trap. And if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and that like button and that notification bell so you never miss when I drop a new tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going over a few products and I'm featuring this palette. Now, I told you guys that I'm trying to do tutorials based off all the makeup palettes that I own, which are a freaking lot, and I just let them sit in the drawer. So this is part of my eyeshadow palette series that I'm doing. And if you go watch that previous video before this, you'll see what eyeshadow palette that I decided to work with. So this palette was really fun. I created this kind of cotton candy look. I mean, not really cotton candy. It's not really cotton candy. But this palette was very fun to work with, and I love Juvia'S palettes because they're so pigmented. You don't need that much product to just get the look that you're going for. You don't have to do the most to pack it on. So that's one thing that I love about their palettes. So if you like this look, keep watching this video. And again, make sure you subscribe and tell your friends to subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your cousin's girlfriends, your uncle girlfriends, like tell everybody you know to subscribe to my channel. Even if they don't like makeup, they could just watch me, which is fine too, because who don't want to watch me? Like, I never met a person that didn't want to watch me. So yeah.